It's. Do you remember? Do you? Do you remember how you know Grandma Ted and Grandpa Herb? Do you know who they were?
Yeah, I know.
Who were they?
Well, I don't know how to tell you.
They were Dad's godparents.
Or is that it?
Yep. Yes. Grandma Ted's been gone for about 15 or 16 years, and Grandpa Herb's been gone about 34 years.
Boy, this is something I haven't.
It's really raining outside, isn't it?
Yes. In that time.
But you've been in rainstorms before.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Lots of them.
I don't like them either.
You don't like them? How come?
I don't think it's fun. How about that?
Well, if you're not in it, not getting wet, it's okay, right?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
You just have to have enough good sense to come in out of the rain.
That's true. But a lot of people don't have that.
That's true. A lot of people don't have that. That is true.
Yeah. And it's red out there now.
Yes, it is.
I can see it coming
Through the window?
yeah, through the window.
Yeah. Yeah, the kids are all excited about it.
Oh, that's not fun.
No.